Hello, Tyler again with Bardeen here. In this video, I'm going to go over how to use enrichments inside of Bardeen. So as usual, we're going to go to our Bardeen Chrome extension here. And once we open up our initial playbook page, we're going to click the little plus button. And one of the options that you'll see over here on the right is the Bardeen enrichment. So enrichments are any of these here. So you have lots of different options related to that. But in general, enrichments are where we are going out and we're getting data, specific types of data for a company or contact. So in general, we have very broad enrichments like get company information, get a person's data. We have find profiles. So like if you're looking to actually find all the people related to a company, you can use something like that. We can verify email addresses, find tech stacks of a domain, find a person's mobile number, find a person's validated professional email, and find companies. So there's lots of different ways that we can go through and actually get our data here. Some of these are more complex than others. Some of our get company and get person data just brings back a very large basket of information that you may need for whenever you're qualifying candidates. Things like find a person's validated professional email is technically a series of different data providers that we're using. We're actually checking multiple providers at the same time to see if any of them have a positive professional email. We're also validating that as well, so the email that comes back is one that is safe and ready to send inside of your sender account. Same kind of thing for the mobile numbers. We're actually checking multiple providers at the same time to give you the best chance of finding that specific information. So if we click into any of these, each of these will be a little bit different as far as the different requirements. But for example, just for the company info, you can pass in a variety of different fields here. We can pass in things like a domain. We can pass in the company name. We can pass in the location, and some of the different required fields are just what are some of the things that I really need from this. We can get it from Crunchbase, LinkedIn, G2, different things like that. So whenever you're passing through information on any of these different enrichments, the more information you're giving it, the better. That's always going to increase your chances of getting a positive hit. But if you come back and you just have a domain or a company name or something like that, it's okay. You may still get a good hit on it. But in general, whenever you're using any of the enrichments within Bardeen, it's always best practice to provide as much information as you possibly can. So whenever you're building out your playbooks, whether you need mobile numbers or emails, you want to learn more about a company, finding tech stack, whatever it may be, there's a whole basket of different enrichments that you can use within your Bardeen playbook. Hope that helps. Thank you.